Today I'm gonna start this vlog kind of early. We are going to be going to Slussen and perhaps IKEA, we haven't really decided yet, but basically just to discover some Swedish food for me because I've barely eaten much Swedish food. Although I do realize people eat a lot of oats here, they eat a lot of yogurt here, they eat a lot of bread and candy. These are my initial observations. Of course potatoes, but I guess I'm not eating home-cooked meals that often, so less potatoes, more quick, handy oats. This is muesli, but you know. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna eat our breakfast. We're gonna do some productive stuff because today is gonna be a very productive day for us. So we'll bring you through our journaling, and then we'll, you know how vlogs work.
I don't.
My auntie made this rhubarb pie and it's great. Like, we had some the other day and she was like, it's easy to make, and my uncle was like, then make it. So we're gonna eat it, but we're gonna eat it with custard because, as I've learned in Sweden, you can't eat pie without custard. I quite like it, so we're gonna do that. Slow poke.
So originally we were gonna eat at a restaurant and have some like pasta or something like that, but we got starving, so we literally just ran into the nearest Max, which is fine too because it's super Swedish. Yeah. Max, if you don't know, is basically like the McDonald's except 800 times better in every single way. Like, they have pie with the coffee. Like, a pie comes with your
Thank you, Sweden.
Thank you, Sweden. There's vegan versions of almost every sandwich, and there's vegetarian versions as well.
You can get vegan nuggets.
Yeah, you can get vegan chicken nuggets here, vegan chicken nuggets, as well as like vegan pulled pork and all sorts of shit. Anyway, Sweden.
It's fine.
It's the future. Eat here. Ooh. I'm ready. So we got our food. And they have my favorite ice. I had to try very, very hard not to fill up the entire cup with ice. I'll probably do that on the way out though. And I did not get a plastic top because save the environment, don't take unnecessary plastic. And even the straws that they offer are paper. Go Sweden!
Because we're in Sweden, it means you can custom order your burgers pretty much however you want, which means you can get the best Swedish cheese there is, halloumi, on your burger.
What kind of cheese is that?
It's like kind of rubbery, and they use it as a meat substitute for some of the vegetarian burger. But instead of that, you can get it put on a regular burger too if you want, like we have.
Yeah, I really like it. And honestly, like, I have a friend who's like, I don't get the hype, and I get it because I also do not fully understand the hype necessarily, but it is really good, and I enjoy it a lot, so I got extra halloumi as well. We got mozzarella sticks, and what else?
Chicken nuggets.
Fried. And the sauces we got are green and garlic and ranch,
which is not a thing in Sweden, by the way. Never see it anywhere. You can't get ranch flavored anything here, except here apparently.
I'm into it. What kind of burger did you get?
I got some sort of new product they brought out with sriracha dressing and ketchup, which sounds really good. So it's apparently supposed to be really spicy. We'll see about that.
I got Sprite. What did you get?
I have iced latte thingy, which is very weak. Don't buy your coffee here.
Daddy! 3 entire things of ice cream after all that max. I actually really want to introduce this place. It's called Sneaky Nicky. It's organic, authentic Italian gelato. It's made fresh every single day and it tastes really good and different. I love it. This is my second time coming here. My friend Johanna introduced it to me the first time I was in Sweden, and I had to make sure to come back to Slussen to eat it. I've been thinking about it for a whole ass year, or however long I haven't been in Sweden. I got peanut butter. Rasmus, what did you get?
I got Belgian chocolate and chokladboll, which is literally chocolate ball, but it's more like a oaty, cacao powdery sort of thingy. It's not very sweet.
Oh,
It's delicious.
so good. So tell me about the ice cream.
It was the best ice cream I've had in my life, but too cold.
Yeah, he was like shivering. What flavor should they get?
Peanut butter.
It's crack. So that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to know anything about Stockholm or any of the things that we mentioned need some clarifying, then you put it in a comment down below and hit the subscribe button. Do it. And the bell for notifications if you want to know every time we make a video. We make one of those every Friday. So we'll see you next Friday, okay?
Bye.
Bye.